I'm going to go to my browser and search for Visual Studio 2019 or whatever version the MySQL installation is complaining about. In my case, it's complaining about 2019 x64 redistributable, right? So I'm going to just write Visual Studio 2019 x64 redistributable download, and then I'm going to click on the first link here. And when I scroll down a little, here I can see the different versions. So, for example, 2005 till 2015. And then in my case, I have to choose this option because it was complaining about 2019 and it falls in between this period, right? So I'm going to click on latest supported redistributable version, and then I can see three links here. So as we have seen that in my case, it was complaining about X64, right? So I'm going to click on this. In your case, if it's complaining about the other versions, then you can click on the other links. So let me click on x64.exe file, which is going to download this file, and let's run this file now. And then I'm going to click on I accept and then click on install, and then just click on yes here, which is going to install this redistributable file. And then once this installation for this redistributable is finished, it's going to ask you to restart your Windows operating system. So for now, I'm just going to close this and I'm going to restart my computer later.